High ticket affiliate marketing. Imagine making so much in one sale, you could just throw in the towel for the entire day. Or imagine waking up to $500 or $1,000 or more in your account while you were sleeping. This probably sounds too good to be true, doesn't it? In all honesty, most people making $1,000 per week would be life-changing. But in this video, I'm going to be talking about making $1,000 per day. Now, before I get into exactly what you can expect in this video, if you think this is going to take no work and you're looking for a get-rich overnight method, I would quickly prompt you to just exit off this video, because what I'm going to share with you can easily make you thousands of dollars per day, but it takes work. So with that being said, in this video, I'm going to be covering the mindset behind high ticket commissions and why it is your best bet when it comes to creating success online. How to get access to a team of leaders who have made millions in this exact formula. And I'm also going to show you how you can get access to our team-only millionaire mentoring groups to give you the best chance at success. We have brand new members who have made upwards of $50,000 in only a few short months, with some brand new members $1,000 in their first month. Why? Because some people hustle and some people don't. Because some people follow the formulas and some people don't. It's just as simple as that. I'm also going to show you how you can automate this entire process by allowing Facebook Messenger bots to warm your prospects up so you're talking to buyers and not tire kickers. Although automation will save us time, there is nothing better than getting connected with your team so that you can strive and succeed together. Stay tuned, because I'm going to uncover the secrets behind high-ticket affiliate marketing in 2020. Despite what you may already think, making $500 to $1,000 per sale is just as easy, if not easier, than making $1 to $10 per sale. The simple answer is because the process is the same despite the offer you're promoting, because you do not want to focus on the offer at hand. You want to focus on solving a problem. Now, wouldn't you agree, solving a financial problem with $1,000 per day instead of $10 per day sounds a lot more appealing, right? With that being said, the amount of value you can put into that $1,000 sale is tenfold. You're going to be able to spend a lot more time on that specific person, whoever is, because at the end of every sale, there's a person. So with $1,000 commission, you're going to be able to put a lot more value into that one person than with a $10 sale where you're just trying to funnel as many people as possible. So because you need to make fewer sales to hit your goals, allowing you to create better content that will solve your prospects' problems faster and easier. If you want a more in-depth method to learn how to make high-ticket commissions without having to pay for ads or chase family and friends, there will be a link in the description below where you can get in contact with my messenger bot, and we can connect one-on-one through chat once you have shown some interest, because I only speak to people who are actually interested in creating financial freedom. Now, with that being said, I want to walk you through on my computer some of the value which will be inside this high-ticket affiliate offer. I'm going to walk you through all of the products, all of the interviews, and all of the trainings which you're going to get, which you could sell as your own if you decided to join our team. So let's jump into my screen and go over some of the amazing millionaire interviews, Also, make sure if you're a subscriber, stay to the very end because our mentor is one of the millionaires that is interviewed. And you want to check this out. So let's jump into my screen right now. All right, welcome back to my screen here, everybody. Now, what I'm going to be going over is the product, the Genesis Educational Library. Now, if you guys want more information about this, make sure you click the link and go over to the Messenger bot. And if you decide to join our team, I'm going to give you the Messenger bot for free. I'm going to show you how to set it up, and it's going to make your life really, really simple. So this offer consists of 4 different levels: $100 level, $250 level, $500 level, and the $1,000 level. Now, each product is going to teach you a different series of trainings. I'll go over that here in just a moment, so make sure you stay to the very end. But the $1,000 level is going to give you access to our Millionaire Mentoring Group. And that was the same mentoring group that resulted in me earning $11,000 in my first 14 days, okay? So when I first got started, this was back in 2017, all right? I've been marketing for a while, and the reason that I'm making this video again is because through those years, everything that I've learned has helped me get to where I am today, and that's why I've decided to take the skills that I've learned and create this and share this with you guys now that I really know how to promote it properly and how I know how to share it with you guys properly, okay? So if we look over here, online marketing, if you're looking to start your own business or boost your existing business, then the Genesis product library is for you, okay? I will leave a link below where it says Genesis Library in the description. If you click that, it's going to bring you over to this page, and then you can see and read through everything firsthand and get a little bit more in depth, okay? I'm just going to briefly go over it, show you what you're going to get, and show you how I can help you succeed if you decide to do this. Now, the cool thing is, whether or not you join at the $100, the $250, the $500, the $1,000, does not matter. What you can do is you can still use our chatbot. I can still show you a formula which you can start getting leads, and then every commission pays instantly, okay? The cool thing is, if you decide to get the $1,000 level, all the stages below it are included, okay? So if you pay the 100, then the 250, then the 500, you're paying more money. Whereas if you just get the 1,000, you go all in, which is what I went, and that's how you're going to make the most money. So G100, your internet marketing in an hour per day. Discover tips and tricks to help build your internet marketing business. Email list secrets, how to build your email list the right way. Big business blueprint, how to build a successful business online. Okay, now if you look here, 12 videos, 10 videos, 42 videos, Facebook Live blueprint. Learn how to use Facebook Live in your marketing. If you followed me today, I was live on Facebook sharing 3 simple secrets to increase your productivity. If you guys want to check that out, you can visit me over on Facebook. There's a link for my Facebook below. And then cryptocurrency secrets, okay? If you guys follow the channel, you know I love crypto. So everything in this product is not some, basic training that somebody learned on Google. These are real trainings that will give you real results. And that is why I love this product, okay? That is why 3 years later, this product is just getting better and better, and it's still bringing out massive commissions, okay? 250, this is where we're getting a little bit more advanced. So you're going to get your big ticket machine, right? You're going to get your 10K blueprint, okay? You're going to get your list building profit kit. You're going to get your evergreen leads business. Look at all these bonuses, right? Look at all these videos and this value that you're getting inside of this training. 7 different courses in the 250 product alone, right? I would like to find you, or I would like to see you go out there and find, one product that's 250 with this amount of value, covering a broad amount of topics in the online world, right? So it's not just gonna, help you make money. It's gonna help you build a real business. It's gonna teach you, email marketing. It's gonna teach you lead book generating. It's gonna teach you the power of execution. All of these different things, right? Again, if you want to read more about this, there's a link for the Genesis Library overview in the description. So make sure you check that out. And if you've made it this far, please give the video a thumbs up. It'll really help me get this out to as many people as possible, and it'll really help me help as many people make money, okay? You guys are enjoying this and you want to get started, right? You don't have to make a purchase. Just hit the chat bot below, right? Go through, answer the questions that it asks you, see how it is, maybe look at the video, maybe it's something for you. If not, just shoot me a message on Facebook. I'd love to connect with you. The chat bot will take you into a direct message with me, all right? So you'll be able to, answer some questions. Once you go through the chat bot, I'll get a notification. That way I can say, hey, this person is an action taker. They went through the steps. They want to talk to you. And then we can work on a plan to help you, start making money and start, taking, because we're all at home. We all have time. So there's no better time to get started than right now. All right. G500 is your direct sales MLM, right? The true cause of all achievement. How to use the conquering force within you to achieve your dreams and goals. Okay. This is a live seminar video. Part 2, the power of core desires. Part 3, smart wealth building. Part 4, the conquering force within you. Part 5, how to make 100K plus in network marketing. Okay. There's many people that have made $100,000 or more in network marketing, and it is something that is very obtainable if you follow people that have already done it, okay? That's where the Millionaire Mentoring comes into play. When I stopped following Millionaire Mentoring, I started to fail. Slowly but surely, I started to, do things not the right way, and that starts to affect your business. So that is one of the reasons why I decided to get back with Millionaire Mentoring, get my key focus get my focus back, and that way I can come out with good content and actually help everybody succeed, right? I know from firsthand experience that selling cheap products brings out cheap effort, okay? You're going to bring out cheap effort, you're going to put out cheap content, and you're going to get cheap results. If you use high-ticket affiliate marketing, you're going to get high-ticket products, you're going to give high value, and you're going to make high-ticket money, right? I made $60 from 5 sales. I made $1,000 from 1 sale, right? Big difference, okay? So you're going to get the bonuses, the webinar jackpot, social media income, warrior mindset, overcoming excuses, and the $1 million copy. All right, now we're getting into the big bucks here, the G1000. This is personal and professional development. That is your #1 best asset that you could do online or in your life in general. Because no matter what business I promote, no matter what company or product or whatever, right, the skills that I learn will carry on with me to every single thing that I promote. They'll carry on with me to every, and they'll continuously grow as long as I keep reinvesting in them, right? That's why I came back and I said, hey, I need a mentor again because I wasn't getting the results that I wanted. And I remember, okay, when I was following the mentor, doing what he was doing to have success, that was when I was having success. Now I know a little bit more, so I'm able to follow better, right? I'm able to learn faster and implement more value, okay? So Bitcoin profit secrets. I love the Bitcoin courses in this. The free business videos, okay? This is a 20-part video tutorial that teaches you how to use free online tools and softwares to build your very own niche website that brings in leads and sales for your business, okay? This is an amazing product because building websites that you create content and then that content is out there forever. And as long as it's out there, somebody could at any point in time click on it and bring you in a commission, okay?
internet business model. With this step-by-step video course, you will learn about 4 proven internet business models in the least amount of time. You will learn how to start an internet business with zero setup, budget, or without any website. All right, that's a 27 video course. And then you're going to get how to build webinars for your business. Webinars are an amazing way to sell high ticket commissions because you can gather a group of people together that are all interested, share one specific topic, and then promote something at the end and make those high ticket commissions because you've invested 30 or 40 minutes to get them into the buying mindset. Now, the cool thing about this is we actually have these done for you, so you can leverage our automated webinars and profit from them, okay? And then the power of focus, the wealth creation blueprint, and the podcasting, or the push button podcasting, okay? Now, if we go over here, I'm just going to go over some of the interviews that are inside, all right? So this is inside the $1,000 product, the G1000, all right? This is part of the Legends. So you have Evan Klassen, Jeff Steffen, Greg Gomez. These are all internet marketing leaders in different niches that are all sharing, their keys to success. So you're going to learn from people that are already succeeding, that have already succeeded, and you're going to get to see interviews with them, okay? Jack Zufelt, James Starr, Jeff Mills, Josh Peak, Larry Wingett, Patrick Snow. We go on to the second page here. You're going to see Randy Shoerider. I'm not sure if I said that right. You got Ray Higdon, Richard Stevensons, Terry Duff, who's a beast online, Todd Falcone, right? I actually have his book in my living room right there. Tracy Walker, Tom Kaz, Darren Little. Now, Darren Little is our mentor inside of our group, the Black Ops Underground Marketing, and he is the big leading factor to me actually still being here online and still, grinding it out and learning and implementing and sharing. All right. He is a great leader, and the trainings that he has inside of Black Ops really help me, come back to my core values, and that is to actually create content that's going to help people make money. All right. So that's going to help people live the lives that they deserve. And rewatching the trainings inside of Black Ops, which is a bonus if you get access to the $1,000 level. You'll get inside our group and all of Darren's trainings, right? But these trainings, not only do they help you recruit reps in 6 to 45 minutes, but they also help you succeed when it comes to your personal life, all right? I learned a lot of, self-help things, personal development things from Darren because he is the leader when it comes to, leading with motivation and energy. Every time I watch one of his, trainings, I always get amped up because he's super high on energy, and it just really motivates me. So that is one of the reasons why I decided to get back started, right? If you made it this far, you guys enjoyed the content, make sure check out one of the videos on this page. I'll be coming out with new videos on a regular basis. If you guys want to see anything, if there's anything I didn't cover, let me know in the comment section below. I'm not perfect, but I do want to help make videos that are going to help you guys succeed. So I'd love to hear your feedback in the description below. That's it for this video, guys. Not going to run it on too much longer. We're getting at over 20 minutes here. And I just want to thank you for tuning in. If you enjoyed it, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.